everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Kayla and I'm one of the stylists here at Salon Halo. So today we're going to be discussing the different treatments that we offer here in our salon. We'll be going over 5 of our treatments, including our Hydrotriplex, Keratriplex, our Neuro Repair, our Marula Rare Oil treatment, and our Lavender Mint Conditioning Mask. So starting off from the same line, we have our Keratriplex as well as our Hydrotriplex. So our Hydrotriplex is made out of vegetable proteins, amino acids, as well as nourishing oils such as avocado and jojoba. This treatment helps to restore and retain moisture in the hair, so it's going to leave your hair feeling super soft and silky. The Keratriplex treatment is actually made out of an isolated protein that's nearly identical to the protein called keratin that's found in human hair. Moving on, we're going to be going over our Lavender Mint Deep Conditioning Mask. So the Lavender Mint Deep Conditioning Mask is actually gluten-free, paraben-free, is also vegan, and is also color safe. The Lavender Mint Mask uses French clay to really deep condition, and the minerals found in the clay also help to replenish and nourish your hair. Our next treatment that we're going to discuss is going to be our Neuro Repair Mask. Using heat control technology, the mask actually helps to prevent thermal damage up to 86% by reducing the rate of heat transfer between your hot tools and your hair. The last treatment that we will be discussing today is going to be our Marula Rare Oil treatment. This amazing treatment is packed full of antioxidants, vitamins, oleic acids, as well as protein. Something that I love about this treatment is not only does it offer UV protection, but it also has little Marula spheres that actually attach to your hair to the negatively charged image that's in your hair, so that when you wash it out, it doesn't just go down the drain. It really does stay in the hair. It works throughout the days. Tousle, flip, brush, everything. You're actually going to be releasing little fresh bursts of moisture throughout the day. As great as the treatment itself is, the best thing about this treatment is how it gives back. So the wild marula oil fruit is actually harvested by the African Women's Collective. The women are paid fair wages to harvest all the fruit, and that helps to provide a sustainable economy for the women and their families. Alrighty everyone, that's all I have for you today. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If there's anything that you would like to see, just give us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.